Hi, and welcome to Qlik Fix. This video will demonstrate the steps needed to reset a forgotten password for the postgreSQL database in Qlik Sense. During the installation of Qlik Sense, it's necessary to provide a password for the postgreSQL database. Should this password become lost or forgotten, unfortunately there is no way to retrieve it. It is possible to reset the password by following these steps. First, open up the Services applet and stop the Qlik Sense repository database service. Doing this will automatically stop most Qlik Sense services. It's best to verify that all services have stopped. Next, open Notepad as administrator. From the File menu, select Open and navigate to C, Program Data, Qlik Sense, Repository, PostgreSQL 9.6, or whichever version of PostgreSQL your version of Qlik Sense is currently using. Be sure to select all files at the bottom so you can find the pghba.config. Scroll down in this file to the IPv4 and IPv6 connection lines and change the method from MD5 to trust. It's important that this is in all lowercase. There are 4 methods listed, but only the first 2 need to be changed. Save and close Notepad. Start the service Qlik Sense Repository Database. Now launch the command prompt as administrator. And first go to the same directory bin folder and enter the following command. This will open up the Postgres prompt. Now enter a command that will change the Postgres user account password. Enter the command with whatever password you want. I've selected password123. Seeing the alter role message means that it should have worked. Next, enter another command to change the password of the Qlik Sense repository account. It's important that the password you enter here be the same as the one for the Postgres user account. Once complete, you can close the command prompt window. Now it's important to change the connection string to the repository as well. This can be done using the Qlik Sense utility that comes installed with Sense. It can be found in Program Files, Qlik, Sense, Repository, Util, and select the Qlik Sense utility executable file. Select the connection string editor and read the current repository connection string. Here you can see the old password. For demonstration purposes, the difference is simple here. I just need to remove the exclamation mark from the old password so that it matches the new password, and save.
Before moving on, it's crucial to adjust the password used by the Qlik Sense microservices. See the link in the video description for help with that.
Now that the passwords have been changed, it's time to put things back the way they were. Stop the Qlik Sense repository service again, verifying that all services have been stopped. Navigate to the pghba config file, running Notepad as administrator. Change the method in the file from trust back to MD5. Start all the services again. I recommend starting the repository database, then the repository service, and then the other services. Now it's important to verify that the password has been changed as intended. One way to do this is to download and open pgadmin4. This is a utility that can connect to the Qlik database locally. There's a link to an article with more details on using pgadmin below. So I'll just create a new connection to the QRS or repository, set the port, enter the password, and it connected successfully. I hope this helped. Nailed it.